I am so happy, guys. So duper duper happy because my kitchen looks so clean and smells so amazing. Want to know how I did it? Then keep watching. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's vlog with me. As you already know from the title, we are going to be cleaning this kitchen cabinet together. You see all these things on my kitchen cabinet. I don't like the look. I don't like to sight it at all. So I am going to be deep cleaning my kitchen cabinet with you today. It looks so disgusting. It looks unattractive. It doesn't define my personality. So I just do not like it. When my kitchen or any part of my house is untidy, I am personally untidy as well. Like, I would not be organized emotionally, physically. So I love to clean this always because I don't like the look. That's like the basic truth. And the best thing I can do is just to go ahead and get this all wiped off. I will just be using the Safe Power and Shine and some wipes. Simple and straightforward. I don't like to use too many chemicals at home. So the little chemical I use, the better for me. So I'm just going to go on now and start from the very top. Please do not climb the counter just the way I did. It is unsafe, but because Naomi, this girl, she's so stubborn, guys. My husband must not even see this video because he would not be happy with me that I climbed up this counter. He has warned me several times to get a ladder. So please get yourself a home mini ladder to climb whenever you need to climb. So that's it, clean for the first part. I went ahead to clean it with the wipe and the sieve force. And now I got a napkin that is somewhat damped with normal water just to give it a second wipe totally. And the cleaning continues just like that. After spraying the sieve, I usually leave it to soak on the cabinet for like 1 minute to 2 minutes before I start to wipe them off. That way it would help to release all the grease, all the dirt out of the body of the cupboard, and it will be so easy to wipe off. Look at that, guys. It's so stress-free, easy to do, and it's so enjoyable. As I'm cleaning it, I'm also enjoying myself. At this point, I've moved on to the second part of the cabinet, and as well as the wall surrounding that cabinet. You wouldn't know that some dirt gets to that part, so you just have to make sure you clean all the whole environment, not just on top of the cabinet, but the wall around it as well needs to be properly wiped off. Okay, it's time to calm down, but this girl loves fun a lot. Even when I'm doing my domestic work at home, I dance. Like, I love to have fun doing my work. I don't love stress at all. So this part is the extractor fan. Gosh, you guys, you wouldn't believe the amount of grease, the amount of dirt, the amount of oil soaked up underneath there until you go there to clean it. Just look at that, guys. The wipe is not even doing justice for me as I really wanted to, and so I'm going to give it another try. I wouldn't give up because as long as I've seen this dirt is lying there, I wouldn't sleep well if I should leave it. So I'm going to give it everything I can, put in all the effort I can to get that all wiped off. And so I'll be using this scrub which has a sharp surface but not too sharp. It's just going to remove the dirt on the cupboard and it wouldn't scratch my cupboard or my extractor fan. So I'm moving on to the other part as well. So keep watching and keep enjoying the cleaning with me. Like, I don't even know what this is, and I'm sure I'm the one who kept it. Reason why I kept it, I don't know. It's got to go. So when you start storing things that are unnecessary in the house, please start declustering so you can have space for better things to come and have a sane environment. So I'm going to continue with my cleaning. So yeah, this is the final stage for the upper cabinet that I have cleaned. I just got a dry clean napkin to give it a thorough dry, like the last wipe, to make sure everything is well dried, because if I don't, the damp cloth I used in cleaning it the second time left some kind of wet stuff on the cupboard. It would attract another sort of dirt once the breeze starts to blow. So it is advisable to use the dry napkin in the end to dry it totally. And now I'm moving on to the lower part of the kitchen cabinet, and of course this part is looking a bit tough, so I'm going to use the scrub to scrub it out and keep cleaning like that and moving on. This part seems a bit tough, so baby girl has got to sit down and attend to it. Life is like that. Some people are tough, so you have to sit down and attend to them. So far, these are all the wipes that I've used for the up and down cabinet, and I'm still going. There are some tiny dents in the line of the down cupboard which I am not comfortable leaving, so I'm going to get a flux. Don't mind me guys, this is the normal flux that we use for our tooths. I'm going to use the sharp end of that flux to get off those tiny dents that are trying to soak into the cabinet line, get them all off, and have a clean and sane environment. I am also going to be cleaning my kitchen door because I don't know, it doesn't make any sense cleaning half of the kitchen and leaving half of the kitchen. Since I'm cleaning the cabinets, the wall, and every part of the kitchen, the door needs to be cleaned as well. You might not believe the kind of dirt that are hanging around on your kitchen door, so you need to wipe those door down. You need to clean them. This door, you touch the handle every day, you touch the door, your children touch the door. The amount of dirt that have soaked up in there needs to go. So take your time and just deep clean your kitchen door as well. Just look at the final outlook of my kitchen cabinet, guys. You guys, look at it now. Isn't this just so clean, so fresh, so appealing? When you walk into this kitchen, won't you be happy yourself? Wouldn't you want to make a lovely food, a lovely dinner in this kitchen? Like, there are some people houses that I cannot eat because it's not clean. Having a clean and safe environment is a healthy part of a good lifestyle. You need to keep clean, you need to keep tidy, you need to teach your children these habits. Look at these guys. No, tell me, don't you like what you see? Don't you want to come into this kitchen as well? Oh my god, my kitchen looks so beautiful, so clean, and it smells so amazing. It is so refreshing and so welcoming. Oh god, look at this pack. Look at this pack. Look at the glow. My kitchen is glowing, you guys. I am walking majestically into my kitchen. Like, I have every damn right. I have the 100% right. I can even sleep in this kitchen, guys. In fact, I am sleeping in my kitchen tonight. Nobody's gonna tell me anything. I feel so happy. I feel so satisfied. And I feel I should thank myself and drink at least 500 ml of water. Cheers to us, both of us. We all clean this kitchen together, right? So I'm going to have some water now to, calm the body down. You guys, when you have a clean environment, you would be happy yourself. It comes with this special joy, it comes with this special focus. You'll be focused, you have direction. I don't know how dirty people do it too, but you see this kitchen? I am sleeping here today. Nobody should wake me up. I am sleeping in my kitchen today, you guys. I'm so happy I was able to do this, and I thank God for the grace and the strength He has given me to do this. So now I'm going to get out a new kitchen napkin that we are going to use for some days before I would change it again. It smells so good, you guys. My kitchen napkin smells so fresh. So yes, guys, I really thank you for joining me, and I want to appreciate you for taking time to stick around and clean my kitchen with me. And I hope this would encourage you yourself to get your kitchen cleaned up like this. Thank you for everything. Subscribe if you haven't, and bye bye. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.